Hi, I'm Bill Pullman, your Palatine Township Assessor. Did you know that Palatine Township residents have up to 16 taxing bodies that request funds that make up your property tax bill? Your Township Assessor's office is here to help you make sure that you're only paying your fair share of the property tax. One of the ways we help you is by helping you apply for all your qualified exemptions. You will see all your exemptions on your second installment of your property tax bill.
There are currently 7 standard exemptions available: the Homeowner's Exemption, Senior Citizens Exemption, the Low Income Senior Citizens Assessment Freeze, Persons with Disabilities, Veterans with Disabilities, Returning Veterans, Home Improvement. Let's take a look at each.
Many of these exemptions are based on the equalized assessed value, or EAV, of your home. The EAV of your home is the assessed value of your home multiplied by a factor that equalizes the value of your home with homes throughout the state. To calculate your EAV, start by taking the market value of your home, then multiply that against the township's property tax assessment ratio. Once you calculate that figure, multiply it against the statewide equalization factor, which for the year 2021 is 3.0027. This is the taxable value of your property minus exemptions. The general homeowner exemption applies to anyone who occupies their principal residence as of January 1st of the current calendar year. It is capped at $10,000 off the equalized assessed value. The senior citizen exemption applies to anyone 65 years of age or older, occupies their residence, and is the owner of record. The senior citizen exemption is capped at $8,000 off the equalized assessed value.
The Low-Income Senior Citizens Assessment Freeze applies to anyone 65 years of age or older, occupies the residence, is the owner of record, liable for the taxes, and has a household income of less than $65,000 or qualifies for other programs. This exemption provides you with tax savings by reducing the EAV of your home to a fixed amount. The exemption amount is the EAV of the residence in the year the application was made, minus the EAV of the year prior to the year in which the applicant first qualifies.
The Persons with Disabilities exemption applies to anyone who occupies the residence and has a disability. To qualify, you must be currently disabled or became disabled during the tax year. Own or occupy the property as of January 1st of the tax year. You must also have an Illinois Disability Identification Card or physician's statement. To qualify for the Veterans with Disabilities exemption, you must own and occupy your residence and be a veteran with at least a 30% service-related disability. You must also have Form DD-214, which shows verification of military service and honorable discharge. Here's how it works. Your exemption will depend on the degree of your disability. This exemption also needs to be renewed annually with an updated letter from the VA. To qualify for the Returning Veterans exemption, the vet must own and occupy their residence and be a veteran returning from an armed conflict. The exemption is only good for 2 years. If the person is deployed again, the exemption can be applied for after returning from another armed conflict. The Home Improvement exemption is granted to improved or rebuilt properties following a catastrophic event, such as a fire, flood, or tornado. You can come in and meet with us, and we'll assist you in filling out all the forms necessary for you to apply for your exemptions. More information is available on our website at palatinetownship-il.gov, or you can call us at 847-358-6700.